Guys, today I'm back with another vlog. I guess you could say. This won't be posted till Saturday. Wait, what's tomorrow? August. No, wait, like August 26th. Saturday, August 26th. Cause our power's out. Like we have TV and lights and stuff, but the Wi-Fi's down. Our stove isn't working. The washer and dryer's not working. Oh wait, Nana, is the cooler working? Yeah. It should be working. I'm using one of my fisheye lenses. Hold up. Oh, I'm about to get a Sprite. Yeah, we just got this Mountain Dew cooler from Mountain Dew company. Oh dang, what the heck? I just found a fidget spinner. What the heck? Oh dang. I will be making some. Oh, actually, hold up. I gotta talk about that. The like videos. Nana. Nana. Hold up. I'm like not even kidding. I'm gonna turn this off. We need to talk.
Oh no, the sugar globe's arm fell off. This is very bad. Very bad.
Nana.
Are you kidding?
Nana.
What?
We need to talk.
What?
Can you please put your phone down?
Right, hang on a second. I'll write this.
We can sub in a plastic one. Plastic? No.
Yeah, you go, Megan.
No.
What do you suggest? What can we do?
That. Badass.
A little more light, please.
Oh yeah, gladly.
You go, girl.
Okay. Frosting.
Frosting, check.
If anybody deserves it, you do.
The ulna and the radius are going to make a full recovery.
Wow. I'd say you got pretty steady hand.
Okay, what
I knew that
Marcus?
surgical
Alright,
residence-
phones aside. Mine's not even recording anymore, but
If I find out it is, you're in trouble.
Some of that fun that you promised.
I'm in
What did you
trouble.
have in mind?
They're not recording anything we're talking about.
Golf.
Okay, well, this isn't nothing serious. This is just about. I saw this video of this kid. He found these like really nice dirt bike tracks. And I was thinking, like, I don't want a dirt bike. I don't want one. They're very dangerous to drive on the road. But, like, ride one. Like, rent one or something. Like, go to this dirt bike dealership or, like, rent one and go on the track, jump some dirt, those dirt bike tracks.
And you know how talented you are? Get a cardboard, cut out a motorcycle, and we'll get some dirt and you can push it through there.
But I'm gracious to you.
No, I'm not even kidding. Like,
You're recording and I don't like it, so
I'm not recording. It is paused. It's
turn
paused.
it off.
I don't want to stop recording because I'm still recording a video.
Okay, well.
It's paused right now.
Check on it.
But I'm I just want to, it's really cheap. I just want to ride a dirt bike. That's it.
And you remember
I'm not even kidding. I just want to ride a dirt bike. It looks really fun.
No, that's right.
Alright.
Does this thing have stereo?
So that's a yes?
What?
That you'll let me ride a dirt bike at the...
Yeah, we're gonna get a piece of cardboard, we're gonna cut out a motorcycle, and we're gonna brush it through the dirt.
No, Nana, stop joking. This isn't funny. I'm actually being serious right now.
I'm answering all my calls. What do you need it for, dear? Maybe I can help. No, I just wanted to check in.
I'm just saying I can get one of those little kiddie bikes,
you arranged
Nana.
for the rehearsal dinner?
No. Doctor, why?
Well, that's confusion.
Why?
The caterer.
I can get one of those like little kid bikes, like a kid would sit on a kid dirt bike.
Uh-huh.
What kind?
What do you think of my fisheye lens?
Maybe you can give him a call.
I just got this and it's really nice. It's actually really good. Wait, I know my Sprite. Ah.
I saw him with the other groups in the Commodore Club. I'm sure he'll be back soon. Unbelievable. Big breath.
What do you guys think? Should I keep the fisheye? What the heck? Or should I get rid of it? What the fuck is that? Oh, never mind. Kitty. Kit. What the heck? Whose cat? Whose cat is that? What the heck? Hey, where'd you come from? No, seriously, where'd you come from? What the heck? This cat literally came from nowhere. Oh. Oh my god, I'm super blurry. Whose cat are you? Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, she's coming. Okay, I did not expect her to come. Come on. Come on. Come on, kitty cat. What's your name? You don't got a car? Come on. Oh my gosh, I almost dropped my Sprite on my camera. Come on. What the heck? That's weird. Bro, whose cat is that? I'm not even kidding. I don't even know whose cat that is. That's not my cat. I have a cat that's black and white. Did it come out? No, it's just sitting here. Come on. Go. Shoot. Go. Come on. Go. 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 Like she doesn't want to leave this room. Go. Go. Hey, come here. Come on. Oh, dang, I lost her. You can see her? Oh, what the heck? Hold up. About to have to fix my camera. Who? What? I don't care. Nana.
What?
There's a. Alright, these random trucks come up to our house. Gio! Get inside! Gio! Get inside! Why do you just want to get inside? Oh my god, it's not gonna keep me up all night, is it?
No. We're going to start laughing.
This is crazy, bro. Oh, dang, I didn't mean to do that. Watch out. Hold up, I want to get a good shot. Hold up. This is really cool. This is awesome. You see this? This would be a great truck to drive. Look how big that truck is. Oh my god, they have two. Wait, there'd be like three or something? Good.
They just told you we were here?
Huh?
Did they just tell you we were here?
No, I just saw the big trucks. Huge.
My cousin was working.
Sorry?
Oh my. Oh my god, bro. What? Oh, oh no, she's on.
How you doing, young fella?
Good. place is really cool. Look at that. Yeah, I'm posting this. What's in there? That is so cool. Okay.
Want to take a picture of that while you're out here?
Yeah. What's down there?
Those are all your wires, man.
Oh, dang.
That one there looks bubbled up pretty good.
Those trucks are huge.
Yes, go, Gio. Get in.
Come on, Gio. Those trucks are huge.
They are big, aren't they?
I can't believe how big they are.
They're here, man. So, I'm just telling you. So, yeah.
Oh, what the heck? Why is that cat still in
Oh,
here?
it's ice. Something's wrong. Here's acting weird. Oh, never mind. I don't know what that was.
Why?
What are you doing, Marcus? Stop.
I'm seeing what the fish eye can do.
Put the bowl away.
I'm just testing what the fish eye can do. What you doing in here? What is that? What is this?
Marcus,
That's your phone.
I'm working.
What is that? Just man. Hey, aren't those mine? For my computer and stuff? You have a lot of cool stuff in there. I never even noticed this. Oh, what's down in there? Oh, that's a bathroom. Okay. And duct tape right there. So what songs are you doing for tomorrow?
Marcus, I'm busy. Please.
Just
Marcus,
ask.
come on and leave him alone.
Just a question.
I know. What do you need to know, son?
I just want to see what's on.
Don't touch him alone.
I don't know how long this thing can record, but it's on. It's been on for 12 minutes and 13 minutes and 1 second. And 5 seconds. Yeah.
Weddings, they bring out the best in people.
Oh, you're still here. Oh, okay. Oh, I didn't realize you're still here. I might be upside down. No, it's not.
That is not exact. Okay, but should I be taking advice from a divorce attorney? Funny, Jack, I'm your best man. And I'm
Okay.
your best friend. My advice.
To be. Okay, I'm back. I'm ending the video right here. I will see you guys later. So.
Close that up, Marcus. Close that door and turn the light off.
Say bye, Nana. Say bye to the viewers.
Goodbye.